Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these here Galaxy Buds Pro. I know I'm a little bit late to a party, about a year or so, but you know, it is what it is. Come in these nice, sleek black box. I got the Mystic Black, I believe they were called, this version right here. It's got the two-way speakers, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours of playtime, which is a little bit iffy in my opinion, because you know, sometimes I just binge watch shows on end for 8 hours straight. Like I've been watching Peaky Blinders recently. That's pretty good. Maybe get into Attack on Titan pretty soon. Yeah, IPX7 rated for sweat and all that good shit. Dust resistant. And these boys, bad boys, are tuned by AKG or by AKG rather. So yeah, let's get into this shit right here. Gotta finagle my way around this mic cable here. Unfortunately, my setup isn't as good as I would wish, or as good as I hope, but it is what it is. We'll make do with what we got, right? We'll make we'll make lemonade with lemons, or whatever, however the saying goes. Bang, there it is. Immediately about to break shit. Cool. So we got here, what is this? Just, okay, pretty straightforward. How to put the earbuds in your ear. Nice, not too bad for all you dummies out there that don't know how to follow instructions. This is as clear as it gets in my opinion. And I'm pretty sure in here it's just instructions and shit. Yeah, paperwork, boring. Get that shit out of here. What's next? We got the earbuds themselves, and this. Oh dang, this thing is smaller than I expected. So yeah, the charging case itself comes in this little sleek box here. Like I said, tuned by AKG, Samsung. Before we get into that though, we're gonna go ahead and get into the secondary box down here, which is just, yep, USB-C charger for all your charging needs. And it's got a little extra black box. And these are gonna be extra ear tips. Nice. Okay, so that's everything in here. Empty. Empty, yep. All right, so back to the earbuds. Like I said, these things are smaller than I expected. Whenever I saw these, whenever you see these on pictures online and stuff, they look humongous. Like I thought they'd be like about the size of my palm, but look at that. They fit right in the middle here. I thought they'd be like this big, but I was wrong once again. Jesus Christ, I'm choking. But yeah, the size threw me off, and they were smaller than expected, which is pretty good. They're not big, bulky messes. And yep, there they are, ladies and gentlemen. Damn. Let me see. Let me look over the camera here and look in with my own two eyes. Beautiful. And before I yellow light, that means they need to be charged. But before I get into that, I'm just gonna compare them real quick to the Galaxy Buds Pro, which I had before these. And yeah, the Galaxy Buds Pro, they come in with the shiny, glossy box charging case, if you will. Also USB-C, just the same as these. And honestly, I'm kind of liking the matte look or the matte finish on this one, because it doesn't leave as much fingerprints. And look at this thing's got fingerprints galore. Shee! Look at all the goddamn fingerprints. But yeah, let me take a quick actual physical earbud comparison here. So as you can see here, they're about the same size in my opinion. I think the Pro are a tiny bit bigger, but they got that matte for the Pro. Are they even out of focus? Jesus. For the Pro, they got that matte finish in the inside, the gloss on the outside, and the Pro are a bit glossy all over the place here. But yeah, that's enough for the Pro. Or that's enough for the Buds Plus here. Get them out of the way. I'm gonna be shipping those out soon because I don't need them anymore. And yeah, back to the Pros here. I'm gonna put them on ear real quick. And I'm kind of realizing that with my setup, I really can't test them out. Like, I can't show y'all how to connect to the phone, which is unfortunate because I'm using my phone to record, but it is what it is. Pop them in my ear real quick. And yeah, straight off the bat, honestly, I feel like these fit better than the Galaxy Buds Plus. Like with the Galaxy Buds Plus, even with these little doohickeys right here, the wings on them, I feel like they still didn't have a good fit in my ear and would eventually keep on falling out. Let me see. I'm gonna do like a quick push-up real quick. That usually knocks them out of my ears. All right, push-up test passed. I could do push-ups fine. Yeah, the right earbud feels a little small in my opinion, but that should be a quick fix with a ear tip swap or whatever. So yeah, I was hesitant to buy these because there's rumors going on that the new Galaxy Buds 2 are going to come out in July along with the Galaxy Watch 3, which is what I'm wearing right here. Galaxy Watch 3, bang, unfortunately. So if the rumors are true, that's going to kind of suck because the Galaxy Watch has been around for like, what, a year maybe? And the Pros have been out for like 6 months, or I think they came out in February around with the S21, but it is what it is. Before I end the video, I'm actually going to connect these and give a listen to them, see if they live up to the Pro quality, studio quality audio that they claim to have. So yeah, let me just do that shit real quick. Well, I guess I could go ahead and show you how to connect these on my phone, like what you guys see on the physical device, but my phone's still sideways from the being connected to the tripod, so bear with me here as I do this. So we're gonna go ahead and add a new device. Go ahead and add, okay, we got here the Galaxy Buds Pro. Oh, I gotta click on it. Dumbass. Okay, it's at 100%. There we go. What does this mean? Okay, I guess, yep, connect for everything. This is very strange. Link Galaxy Buds Pro with Galaxy Buds Pro. Like, what? Well, the cool thing about it is that the app integrates like your battery percentage and all that good shit, so that's fun. And that's it for the installation. Quick and easy, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Gotta update a few things. Alright, so all this shit's updated. Everything that's good, everything should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and plop these in and give them a quick listen to. One of the things that I want to try out is the noise cancellation because I've never experienced that before. Holy shit, no way. Alright, so with the noise cancellation here, there's I can hear, I don't know if you guys can hear the refrigerator buzzing in the background, but whenever I switched it to high, like Jesus, it's like I'm stuck in my own little realm here. Damn, dude. Noise cancellation is OP. But I've been hearing people say that the noise cancellation on these particular model, on this particular model, isn't as good as other things like Bose's noise cancellation. But for someone who hasn't experienced this, it's pretty cool, honestly. Whoa, it's like everything. It's like all the noises around me fade out. Like certain noises, though, like if I snap like this, I can still hear that. But like minimal sounds, ambient sounds, you really can't hear anything. Okay. We also got ambient sound. This is another feature. This ambient sound helps you. It kind of like, or how do I describe it? Ambient sound, it increases the volume of everything else, so you can listen to people talking to you while you're also listening to music as well, which is another pretty cool feature I like about these. The Galaxy Buds Pro Plus also had them, which is cool. And you can change the levels. The higher it is, the better you can hear your surroundings and stuff. But it's cool, like it doesn't have that staticky sound that the Plus had though when you turn them up all the way. You got equalizer settings, okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on so I can hear the audio quality on this. Alright, for the volume, I immediately can tell a difference. The Galaxy Buds Pro are clearly louder than the Galaxy Buds Plus. This is one of the downsides I didn't like about the Plus, is that the volume on it was super quiet. Unfortunately, I don't know why, compared to other Bluetooth earbuds, compared to even cable or wired earbuds as well, which is disappointing. Let me do a quick bass check. Well, yeah, the bass is pretty good on it too. I think messing with the equalizer settings, you can make the sound way better. I'm pretty surprised. I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I don't mind it. But then I feel like the audio quality isn't like as hyped as it is, or as hyped as it could be, or as good as it could be rather. But then again, I drive a loud ass car every day. Well, overall, I gotta say I really like these earbuds, man. They do their job fine. They sound great. They have tons of amazing features on them, which is I think these earbuds are A tier all the way. I wouldn't say they're like super high quality, like, I don't know, like a Sennheiser earbud or Bose. But then again, I've never used those in my life, so I could be just talking out of my ass here. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if y'all want to see more tech shit like this. I don't mind making them. I'm having a good time making these videos. It's also helping me branch out a bit more instead of just playing like Call of Duty every day and uploading that. But yeah, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that good shit. You know what to do. Take it easy, guys. Adios.